Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful camera drone without spending flagship level money, AliExpress has some surprisingly strong options in 2026. In today's video, I'm counting down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2026, focusing on camera quality, flight performance, smart features, and overall value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2, best lightweight 4K drone overall. The Potensic Atom 2 is a compact, ultra-lightweight drone weighing under 249 grams, which means in many regions you don't need to register it. It features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, records 4K HDR video, captures 8K photos, and supports vertical shooting for social media. The drone also offers up to 10-kilometer transmission range and advanced AI features like night shot tracking. In real-world use, the Atom 2 delivers extremely stable footage thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. Video looks sharp, well-stabilized, and color-accurate, especially in daylight. The AI tracking works reliably for walking, cycling, and slow vehicle shots, and the vertical shooting mode is perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Flight performance is smooth and predictable, even in light wind, and the compact design makes it ideal for travel and quick setups. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, excellent 4K HDR video quality, 3-axis gimbal with very stable footage, vertical shooting for social media, long 10-kilometer transmission range. If you want a reliable, lightweight, and travel-friendly drone with excellent video quality, the Potensic Atom 2 is one of the best choices on AliExpress in 2026. Number 2. L200 PRO MAX, best large screen controller drone. The L200 PRO MAX is a professional-style GPS drone featuring an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance. One of its standout features is the large built-in screen controller, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The large screen controller makes flying much more convenient, especially outdoors in bright sunlight. The live feed is clear, responsive, and immersive. The 3-axis gimbal keeps footage stable during forward motion and altitude changes, and the GPS system ensures accurate return to home and position hold. Obstacle avoidance works well at moderate speeds, helping beginners fly more confidently. Pros: built-in large screen remote, 8K photo capability, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS with stable hovering, obstacle avoidance support. The L200 PRO MAX is ideal for users who want a complete all-in-one flying experience with a large display and solid stabilization. Number 3. AE60 GPS drone, best value 3-axis gimbal drone. The AE60 GPS drone comes with an 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, brushless motors, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, and a large FPV display. It's designed to offer professional features at a more affordable price point. Product review. This drone delivers impressive stabilization for its price. The 3-axis gimbal significantly reduces shake, making video smoother than most budget drones. GPS flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Return to Home work reliably, while obstacle avoidance adds an extra layer of safety. Battery life is decent, and overall flight stability is strong for aerial photography and casual videography. Pros: affordable 3-axis gimbal drone, good GPS flight accuracy, brushless motors for smoother flight, obstacle avoidance included. The AE60 is a great pick if you want professional-style features without paying premium prices. Number 4. V168 Max, best foldable 8K GPS drone. The V168 Max features a dual camera system, 8K resolution, GPS positioning, brushless motors, and 5G FPV transmission. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. This drone performs well for aerial photography and long-range FPV flights. The 5G transmission provides a stable live feed with low latency. While it doesn't have a full mechanical gimbal, electronic stabilization helps smooth out footage during normal flight. It's best suited for wide landscape shots, travel videos, and casual aerial filming. Pros: foldable and portable design, dual camera setup,
stable 5G FPV transmission, good flight time for its size. The V168 Max is a solid choice for users who want portability, long range, and decent image quality in one package. Number 5. L200 PRO MAX Best Budget GPS Drone with Obstacle Avoidance. The L200 PRO MAX is equipped with an 8K camera, 2-axis PTZ stabilization, dual cameras, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, GPS, and brushless motors. This drone offers a lot of features for its price. The laser obstacle avoidance helps prevent collisions, especially during forward flight. While the 2-axis stabilization isn't as smooth as a 3-axis gimbal, it still performs well for casual video recording and photography. It's easy to fly, beginner-friendly, and suitable for learning aerial filming techniques. Pros: affordable price point, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, GPS stability and return to home, dual camera versatility. So those are the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2026. If you want the best lightweight and travel-friendly drone, go with the Potensic Atom 2. For a large screen controller and premium feel, the L600 PRO Max is a strong option. If value matters most, the AE60 and L200 PRO Max deliver excellent features for the price. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.